hold the ring and the card together because I'm going to cause the card to travel over into this empty card box. Check it out. Great. Now, here we go. At the count of 3, the card will travel. Watch closely. Count of 3, drop the handkerchief. 1, 2, drop them. Bummer. So where are y'all from? This is what we call in the magic business a situation. Okay? But never a problem. Never a problem, Betsy, because we've got a prize for everybody up here on the Magic Dealer Day stage. A nice shiny quarter. That's not the prize. There's your prize, Betsy. Tens of dollars of gumballs just waiting for the intervention of your hand. Take the quarter, Betsy. Place it inside the gumball machine. Turn the crank as far as it will go until it will go no further. Open the little door. And inside... What the hell is that? Okay. Okay? What was the serial number of the dollar bill you gave me just moments ago? Okay, buy that at Joe Stevens. I'll give you another try. Another try. Place the little quarter in the slot, turn the machine as far as it'll go until it'll go no further. Open up the little door, remove the gumball, and tell this audience precisely what's inside that gumball.
A cheap ring.
All right. How many in the audience know exactly what Betsy's ring looks like? Nobody. What's the difference? All right. I'll give you one more try. After this, you're out of the act. Give another try. Put the quarter in the gumball machine. Turn the crank as far as it will go. So go no further. Open the little door. Open it up. How do you do?
Yep, that's it.
A nice hand for Betsy. Thank you very much.